Here's an activity you can do for initial sounds. Add question or content. Let's choose hotspot. And I'm going to choose a document I've already created. And with hotspot, I can choose different shapes that I want to highlight. Because we're doing initial sounds, let's do an audio direction. Choose all the words that have an initial sound of t. You can also type it if you want to, but if you have early learners, they may not be able to read it just yet, so you can do audio as well or type. Because I have chosen circles for all of my words, I'm going to choose the circle shape. So I find circles a little more tricky than squares, but you can do it. You usually just have to start in the top left, just outside of the area you want to start highlighting, and then you'll click and drag, and it'll be pretty close. Won't be perfect. Squares, you can be a little more exacting with your options, but circles a little trickier. Not impossible, just takes practice. Well, let's say I'm not happy with the one over pig. I can just click on it, click on the trash can, and try it again. That one's closer. Let's say I'm not happy with hat, that circle. I'll just click on it and click on the trash can. Just try it again. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I know some of us want to be reasonably close. Fix one more of these and then I'll move on. Okay, so now what I need to do is create my key. If I go down to settings, toggle on required, allow multiple selections, and allow partial credit. My directions asked for initial or beginning sound of t, so that would be tag. Tag is correct, so I'm going to click the check mark. Tub is also correct. I'm going to click the check mark. And top is also correct. Check mark. So because there are 3 correct answers, I'm going to scroll up and choose 3 for point value. And then the student view. Choose all the words that have an initial sound of t. So then the students can go through and select the words they want. If they decide that one of them was selected incorrectly, they can just click on it again. The check mark will disappear.